This is your 10-minute total body workout. So you're stretching and working out together. Welcome to my channel, everyone, and I'm glad to have you here. So for 10 minutes, no equipment, you can use your bare foot. Make sure beneath you is soft, and then we'll get right into it. 45 seconds of exercise, 15 seconds rest. I would also show you modifications if there are any, and we'll have a great time today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that link right now, and let's start with squatting. So we squat and up. So squatting down and up. Otherwise, you can go down and extend, down and extend. So just choose whatever is comfortable for you. Extending, down, extend, down, other side. How are you feeling? Remember, this is to get you warmed up in the morning. You can do this every single day. Extend, keep going. Almost there. 45 seconds. Woo. Inhale and exhale. In 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. And we rest. The next exercise we're going to do is so let's go. Punch, punch, here and here. Punch, punch, keep going. Punch, punch. Beautiful. Good job. How are you feeling? Just punch, punch it. Woo. Punch, punch. Say with me, punch, 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 punch. Good job. Punch, punch. Almost there. Keep going. In 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Resting for 15 seconds. Next exercise we're going to do is the lunge. So I'll show you from the side. You're lunging and reaching and back. Reaching and back. Let's go. Reaching and back, or you can go and punch up. So whatever you feel comfortable. Reaching and punch up. Maybe we could just blend the two together. Reach and whoosh. Keep going. Reach and whoosh. Excellent. Reach fine exercise. 30 seconds rest for you. And you go down. Good. Ready? Yes. Okay. So you lie down. I'm going to do elbows into the floor. Lift up. And then release down. Let's go. Up. And release. Up. And release. Up. Last one. Excellent. Yes. Beautiful. The next exercise we're going to do, hands by your side. You're going to take your knees here and take it all the way. Take it here. So let's go. And all the way. Now if this is a bit too tough for you, you can just come here this way and just come this way. It's way easier. Ready? Inhaling. Excellent. So I go this way, come all the way. So you're doing a deep stretch for your back. Inhaling and exhaling. Keep going. Make sure you lift and you keep it down. Lift it up. You take it down. Beautiful. Take it up and down. Fantastic. Yeah. Last one. Other side. Beautiful. Yes. So the very last exercise we're going to do today, and we're done. We're going to do the Superman. So you lift up and you pull in, out, and down. Ready? Let's go. Up, pull in, out, and down. Now, if this is too much for you, just lift up, pull in. You don't have to lift your legs. All right? Up, in, out, and down. Up, pull in, and take it out, and bring it down. Take it up, put it in, take it out, down. Yeah. Just 10 minutes, and your body will love you, trust me. Almost there. 10 more seconds, guys. Finish strong. 5 more seconds. And 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Yes, you did it. Excellent. Thank you so very much for stopping by today. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share this video with someone so that we can build a community of people who are fitter, healthier, and happier. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay fit, fab, and alive to your dreams. Mwah!